That is glowing pretty good, and it's pretty solid. That's better than other glows we have seen. What's up, everybody? Welcome on back to the channel. In this video, we're getting down and dirty. We're gonna go ahead and create our own glow-in-the-dark powder coat color. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're here in the powder room, and we need to make sure that we have precise measurements of everything. So we went ahead and we measured out clear, because we are going to mix this pigment with a clear powder, and then we're gonna lay it over a white base. We feel that this will give us the best opportunity and the best glow available. So we want to see first how it looks over a white base. In the future, we'll try it over different colors. So let's go ahead and get to mixing. Now, one thing that I do want to note, we purchased these pigments from a pigment provider. We do support Columbia Coatings, but we did not purchase any of these from Columbia Coatings. They do have some pigments for different things, and I believe that you guys would enjoy them and definitely check them out. But the pigments that we are using, including this glow in the dark, did not come from Columbia Coatings, but make sure and check them out for powder additives. Now let's get to mixing. Okay, so we have precisely 1 pound of powder here. We have it measured exactly. We're gonna go ahead and pour this pigment in here. This is the glow in the dark pigment, and we wanna make sure we add just a bit of it to it. We wanna be precise. Not too much, not too little. I believe this is 25 grams. What do you think? Is that about it? Let's see.
A little more.
A little more? Oops. Oh no, that's all of it. That is all of it in there. You know what that means? Now we gotta shake this up. Let's go ahead and close this off, seal it up, and shake it up so it's mixed up really good. So we put some air in it to make sure it'll be able to mix up well. You can see the pigment.
Looks like a pillow.
So we've got the powder all mixed up. We want to make sure that it's even, so we put it under a light to see if it's going to glow evenly. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Bam. That looks like it's glowing to me. Can you see that on the camera? Oh yeah, look at it. It looks like it's glowing nice and evenly through it. So you guys may have seen this before. This is our test valve cover. Jeremy's gonna go ahead and get it blasted, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay down the white and then get this new glowing powder coat laid down. Let's get on with it. So we have the piece all blasted. We're gonna go ahead and use our Eastwood dual voltage. We're gonna lay down polar white. We're gonna let it gel out, and we're gonna go ahead and lay down this new glowing color that we created. We're also gonna do something a little special, but you're gonna have to wait till the end to check that out. Let's get to it. So we have got the white all laid down. Now it's time to lay down the clear over it and get it going. This has only been gelled out. We're gonna do a full cure on the clear. So we finished everything up. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how well it glows. Yep, we have these helping to charge it. Oh wow, you can still see where there was some spots in it.
Impurities.
Yep.
Might need more, you know?
Yeah, might need more of that, but look at right here. Bam! That is glowing pretty good, and it's pretty solid. That's better than other glows we have seen. I like it. Well, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm and watch it again. Also, if you've watched this far and you haven't subscribed to our channel and you like videos like this, consider hitting the subscribe button down below. If you want to go a little bit farther and help the channel out, you can become a channel member down below as well. Just hit that blue join button. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.